M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So I had a message about setting up the Openspot 3 or 4 with your FTM400. So here's my FTM400 in the background. First thing we're going to do is get the correct channel in there, and mine, the one that I've chosen, is 433900. So we'll just select frequency. Actually, probably the easiest way is to go F, get the screen numbers, and then go 433900. Okay, and then we want DN mode. So just push the D button till it says DN. I do it without the line, then it doesn't, doesn't automatically switch. Right, hold down the F. Choose where we want it to go. Tap the F again and it's in there. And if you want to tag it, just go to memory mode. Then push the F again as you hold it. And then hold your finger on the screen and we can go Openspot 3. Not sure if I spelt that right, but anyway. 3 or 4 would be the same thing. It's the same process. Okay, back out of that. Openspot. So we've got the correct frequency in there. Now go to your Openspot and just hold down. Turn it on and then just hold down. Remember, I've set this up before, so it's not the first time ever. Hold down the Wi-Fi. That's the left button. You want to do it until it beeps. So I've just pushed the on button there. Let it come on. Put the volume up on the radio so you can hear what it's saying. And now we're going to hold down the Wi-Fi. Like so. And then on your computer, just click your little Wi-Fi emblem here. You need to hold it, I think, for about 10 seconds on the Wi-Fi. And eventually it will go into, I think they call it access mode. If it doesn't do it straight away, just try it again. So if you look in your Wi-Fi search, just your normal Wi-Fi, normally I would connect to Mercury here, but don't do that yet. Connect to Openspot 3. Now, you won't be on the internet, but it will connect you to the Openspot, and then it hopefully should divert you back to the internet. So click that. You can't see the radio at the moment because my camera is disconnected whilst we connect because it's working via the Wi-Fi. But don't worry, you'll see it again in a minute. So this is your sort of boot up screen. This is where you're going to tell it what to connect to. So go next. So I know you can't see the Openspot, but it's pulsating a blue light at the bottom because I held down the Wi-Fi button, which is on the left, and it puts it into what they call access mode. So just go next. And now it's going to connect you back to your internet. So I would choose the one I always connect to. I'll type in my password. Just a normal password for your broadband router. Now you do need to make sure this computer is on the same network as everything, otherwise you're going to have problems. So connect there, click OK, and what should happen, with a bit of luck, it will connect you to the Openspot 3 and get you back on the internet. Yeah, the charge is a bit low on mine. Let's have a look now. Right. So I got a feeling at this point we might be able to connect back onto the internet. So let's just close that. We'll go back to my internet and connect. It should really do it automatically. Right, we're back on the internet. And now we're going to do my search just to see what the IP address is of my Openspot. I can't see it listed yet, so I'm going to put in Shark, SHARKRF.link. That normally finds it, so sharkrf.link. There you are. Now it wants the ID on the back of your Openspot, which is, this is mine. I'll let it connect, and at the same time I'll get the camera back on. Right, we're back on. You can see the radio, and this is how I add mine to different connections. So I just go quick setup here on the bottom right. I'm on a C4FM radio because it's the Ftm400. So you select the radio you're on first, C4FM. Then you select where you want to go. Now remember, here's your chance to change the frequency. So mine is 433.900. And you can choose normal or half deviation. So I'm going to choose a YSF reflector. Now you can either type in the name or a number. Let's try 21080. No, let's try America Link then. America, there it is there, US America Link, we'll use that. Now the numbers on Openspot don't always match with the other numbers you're used to, but the name normally does. So click connect. You should hear it when it connects now.
Openspot connected to YSF reflector 32592.
Right, so that's America Link, working great. And then what you can do, if you want a cross mode, you just go quick setup. Let's do, again, well, you always have to choose C4FM if that's the radio you're on. Then let's choose Brandmeister. Talk Group 921 is always busy. That's called Worldwide. Looks like you've got some station there coming in at the moment just on America Link. But let's just do the cross mode. So you can either type in 91 or choose one of these. It will need your self-care password, which you put in Brandmeister. That's really important. So if you go Brandmeister here, like so. Go to here, create yourself an account, and then when you log in, there's a section called self-care. And without this password, you won't be heard on the Brandmeister system. So click your name, and then you've got self-care. And then see where at the bottom here it says hotspot security. Put in whatever password you want there. Keep it, one that you'll remember. Click save, and then now in this section where it says server password, you will put the same password, and then it all matches. So I'm going to click connect now, and that gets us straight into it's announcing everything it's connected to now. It's a bit annoying, but I think you can turn off those announcements. Right, so we're on now, and you can see there's stations coming through M7CGD, and if I TX the mic, you'll see me show up on the system. Just gonna, there you are, there's me showing up as M0FXB on my 400. So no activity there. And let's just do D-Star. Quick setup, C4FM. Then we'll choose reflector this time, and we'll do 1 Charlie. Reflector 1, connect. And we're now on D-Star. So that's it. That's how you set it all up, and it works great. F1IXV on an Icon 52. You can click him, and there's all his details. How good is that? So I hope this helps. Catch you on air, 7-3. All the best.